have an NVR5208. It's an 8-port 4K from Dahua, or Dahua, however you want to say it. My biggest problem at the moment is the sounds from the fans. They are so noisy, these standard fans. So that's the power fan, and then just the normal side fan. The power fan is the noisiest out of the two fans, but I've decided to replace both of these. Now I've got these just from Amazon. It's just a standard fan, but these are ultra silent from Noctua. It's just two fans, different sizes to fit, like for like, and I'm going to fit these and see how they sound afterwards. Okay, so both fans are now fitted. Straight away you can tell the difference is so much quieter. So you can see that fan there, and the sound is a million times better. And also the other internal fan here, again, so much quieter. Now the power fan, you do need to have it as a 2-pin. They say it comes as a 2-pin, it doesn't come as a 2-pin. So what you need to do is basically they give you these fantastic little connectors, these things. So what you do is you cut off the old connector from the old fan, and then you wire them together and you pinch these bits down with a pair of pliers, and that just really just connects up the wires. So it's actually very easy to make a quick 2-pin connector using the old fan. It literally just a couple of minutes. So yeah, don't worry if you go looking and there's no adapter for a 2-pin. You just make an adapter. So yeah, really pleased. It's so much quieter. I'll also put a link to what cameras I'm using, and also the fans themselves. The fans were £12–13 each, so really economical for what actually you're getting, which is just so much quieter. Just standing here now is so much quieter. It's really good.